Now we will be discovering our color of the week. Let me get my pencil case. Okay, I see our color of the week. It's coming out. Are you ready to see it? It is yellow. Yellow is the color of the week. Now, do you remember the song? It goes like this. Yellow is the color of my pencil. Yellow is the color of my pencil. Yellow is the color of my pencil. It's yellow, yellow, yellow. Oh, I have a yellow colored pencil. Okay, I think it's time for us to look at our flashcard. Let's see. What is the letter of the week? It is the letter B. B is for bee. Bzz, bzz. Have you seen a bee before? Bzz, bzz. Well, we will be coloring the letter B yellow. Okay, so come along and let's color our letter B yellow. Are you ready? Let's go. There's our letter B. B is for bee. Do you like honey? Well, bees make honey. And they make this sound. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Let's take a look at the letter B. This is the big letter B, and that is the small letter B. Are you ready to color our letter B yellow? Let's do it! There it is. Our letter B is yellow. Do you see anything else that is yellow? Our B is yellow. It is also black. Do you see anything else on this side that's yellow? These stars are yellow and this one. Okay, thank you so much for coloring with me. B is for bee. I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter B. See you next time. Thank you for watching Storytime Haven. Don't forget to keep smiling and shining.
See you next time.